Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. Happy Friday on this 26th day of April. And at about 10 minutes till 4 o'clock in the morning, it's in the low 60s right now, still cloudy, but we had some good rains, at least at this location. I hope you did too. I had 1.01 inches of rain. I noticed the airport only had about, 36 hundredths of an inch of rain. So some places had more, other places had a little bit less. We had some wind damage reports in South Alabama, several warnings in the southern counties, but Alabama fared fairly well. Now we'll talk about a string of some nice days, a really good weekend forecast, and warmer as we get into next week. Are you ready for a little bit of summertime temperatures? Seems like it's too early for that, huh? Let's get rolling this morning and look at the next several days and see how it's going to all pan out.
Attention travelers, if you're getting on an airplane today and going anywhere in the eastern U.S., all of the major eastern hubs will be affected by delays because of that big storm system that left us and is now affecting the eastern U.S. and down into Florida. We start off with clouds today, but I think sunshine will melt away the clouds as we get into, certainly by lunchtime, I think. And this is one model showing that at 10:15, the western counties already seeing some sunshine and the clouds hanging out in eastern Alabama, but that'll fade away. And so we go from cloudy to sunny with a high around 79. And tonight, a little cooler, down to 51. Northwest winds 10 to 17 miles per hour today. Tomorrow is a beautiful day. High pressure plopped right along the Gulf Coast over Panama City. A beautiful day here. And that high kind of keeps that front to the north at bay. You see that little front trying to sneak into North Alabama Sunday? I think we're dry. I'm going to call it a dry forecast on Sunday and a little warmer. I think we're mid-80s on Sunday and probably upper 80s on Monday. And Tuesday could be the warmest day so far this year as we're teetering, I think, very close to the 90-degree mark, and in fact warm throughout the southeastern U.S. and way up into the Ohio Valley and covering much of the eastern U.S., so that's melting away the cool up in that area. So on Wednesday, with a high temperature near 90, it's going to feel more summer-like, a little bit more humidity. That front still out to the west of us. Low 80s on Saturday after kind of a cool start, and then mid-80s on Sunday, closer to the upper 80s. Monday, near 90, I think, on Tuesday and Wednesday, and even the nights by then will have lows in the 60s. So it's going to feel more and more like summertime in the middle of next week, and it's too early for that. And I just wanted to show you these GFS numbers. Don't take the numbers literally, but I just wanted to show you the trend. The GFS likes the idea of going to around 90 Tuesday and Wednesday, and then it keeps us warm for several days. We'll see if that plays out. And here's the next significant frontal system by late Friday, May 3rd, a week away. Showers and thunderstorms coming in Friday night and continuing into Saturday, and that could affect some of your plans next weekend, but that's way out there. We won't worry about that yet. Beach forecast for the beaches from Gulf Shores to Panama City, calling for a chance of some leftover showers early in the day today, then improvement, and then a nice weekend, Saturday and Sunday, with highs in the middle 70s, and the Gulf water temperature still chilly at 72. So how much rain did you have at your house? This is Doppler radar estimates of how much rain fell yesterday, and you can see the yellow areas there are 1 inch more or more, and the red areas are 2 inches or more, and I circled a couple of areas of 3 to 4 inches down in South Alabama. That's going to help to look at this Drought Monitor map, which came out yesterday. Still showing a moderate drought across southeastern Alabama and a slight drought here in central Alabama, where Montgomery is still running about 5 inches below normal for the year.
I'm thinking now, and this may be a bit premature, but after a very active severe weather season, I'm thinking that we are going to start turning the corner. And as we ease into May now, the threat of severe weather starts to ease towards, Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, and in through the Plain states. So, hopefully we have seen the worst days. Live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1 with Greg, Jay, Emily, and Bailey the Wonder Dog. And Ryan Stinnett and I will be talking weather on CBS 8 and ABC 32 at 5:50 a.m. There's no video tomorrow because it's Saturday, but there will be a blog update Saturday and Sunday, and another video for you first thing on Monday morning, and your forecast whenever you want it across the dial on 8 radio stations twice an hour. That's the Blue Water family of stations. Enjoy what's going to be a beautiful weekend. I'll see you later.